Welcome to Women Building Futures What's Trending in the Trade series. What's trending now? Sheet metal, HVAC, and refrigeration repair. What does a sheet metal or HVAC refrigeration worker do? Sheet metal workers design, fabricate, assemble, install, and repair the sheet metal products required in a wide variety of industries and settings. HVAC and refrigeration includes heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and refrigeration. Someone working in this trade is typically responsible for the maintenance, installation, repair, and design of HVAC systems for residential and commercial buildings. When Women Building Futures was speaking with Al Prolex, shop production manager at VETS Group, Sheet Metal, Mechanical, Electrical, and Air Services, he said the work is very steady. As soon as the price of oil went down, we had out-of-work welders knocking on our doors. Everyone else was laying off, and we are working our sheet metal workers 10-hour days to keep up. Most sheet metal workers are employed by sheet metal, air conditioning, and heating contractors involved in residential, commercial, and industrial construction. Some are employed by roofing contractors to install flashing and coping. Experienced sheet metal workers may become specialists in design and layout work or in estimating the cost of installations. They may advance to supervisory positions or go into business for themselves. We spoke with Sasha, a former graduate, regarding her choice to go into sheet metal work. She told us, "I chose to get into sheet metal because I heard one of the journeymen that I interviewed say that he enjoyed it because it was creative and that it's like being a carpenter with metal, which really piqued my interest." What she said she liked most is the variety of work that HVAC includes. That means she's never bored and always busy. Are you looking for a change? Be a part of a growing industry. Women Building Futures holds information sessions every week on a variety of our programs. Visit womenbuildingfutures.com and click on the Program Overview tab for more details on how you can get into this exciting career.